Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, the Republic of South Africa, a geographic tapestry. South Africa, officially the Republic of South Africa, is a land of astonishing geographic diversity. It lies at the southernmost tip of the African continent. The country boasts a unique blend of landscapes, climates, and natural wonders. From towering mountain ranges to sun-kissed coastlines, South Africa's geography is a testament to the power of nature. Its diverse ecosystems support an incredible array of plant and animal life, making it a global biodiversity hotspot. South Africa's geographic location has shaped its history, culture, and economy. Its strategic position at the crossroads of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans has made it a gateway between continents. This location has attracted explorers, traders, and settlers for centuries, leaving an indelible mark on the nation's identity. Today, South Africa's unique geography continues to captivate and inspire, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary forces that have shaped our planet. Capitals 3, Pretoria, Cape Town, Bloemfontein. South Africa stands out with its three capital cities, each holding a distinct role. Pretoria is the administrative capital. It houses the union buildings. Cape Town is the legislative capital. The Houses of Parliament are here. Bloemfontein is the judicial capital. It is home to the Supreme Court of Appeal. This reflects South Africa's history and decentralized governance. From coast to plateau, a land of contrasts. South Africa's landscape is a captivating blend of contrasts, shaped by millions of years of geological activity. The country boasts an extensive coastline stretching over 2,500 kilometers, bordering both the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Along these shores, towering cliffs give way to sandy beaches, while rocky outcrops create sheltered bays teeming with marine life. Inland, the landscape rises dramatically, forming a series of plateaus that dominate much of the country's interior. The vast central plateau, known as the Highveld, covers a significant portion of South Africa. This high-altitude grassland is characterized by its rolling hills, wide open spaces, and a surprisingly temperate climate. To the south, the land rises again, forming the majestic Drakensberg mountain range. These towering peaks, some reaching heights of over 3,000 meters, create a dramatic backdrop to the surrounding landscapes. The Drakensberg is a hiker's paradise, offering breathtaking views, cascading waterfalls, and ancient rock art sites. Rivers of life, climates of variety. South Africa's diverse landscapes are intricately linked to its network of rivers and its varied climate. The country is drained by several major rivers, including the Orange Limpopo and Vaal rivers. These rivers play a vital role in supporting life, providing water for agriculture, industry, and human consumption. They also create diverse habitats, from lush riverine forests to arid savannas, each supporting a unique array of plant and animal life. South Africa's climate is as diverse as its landscapes, ranging from subtropical to desert. The coastal regions experience warm, humid summers and mild, wet winters. The Western Cape, influenced by the cold Benguela Current, enjoys a Mediterranean climate, with hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters. The Highveld experiences warm summers and cool, dry winters, with occasional frost. The eastern parts of the country receive rainfall throughout the year, supporting lush forests and grasslands. These varied climates, influenced by ocean currents, altitude, and topography, contribute to South Africa's remarkable biodiversity. A biodiversity hotspot, life in abundance. South Africa is renowned for its extraordinary biodiversity, ranking among the world's top biodiversity hotspots. The country is home to an estimated 10% of the world's plant species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From the iconic baobab trees of the Limpopo province to the delicate fynbos of the Western Cape, South Africa's flora is as diverse as its landscapes. This botanical richness supports a wealth of animal life, including the Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, rhino, and buffalo, as well as a vast array of birds, reptiles, and insects. The country's diverse ecosystems, from the arid Kalahari Desert to the lush coastal forests, provide a mosaic of habitats for this remarkable array of life. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in protecting South Africa's biodiversity. The country has established a network of national parks and protected areas, covering a significant portion of its landmass. These protected areas are vital for conserving endangered species, preserving ecosystems, and ensuring the long-term health of the environment. Parks Beyond Borders Transfrontier Conservation. South Africa has taken a leading role in transfrontier conservation, recognizing that the borders drawn by humans often do not align with the natural boundaries of ecosystems. Transfrontier Conservation Areas, or TFCAs, are conservation areas that straddle international borders, promoting collaboration between neighboring countries to manage shared ecosystems. South Africa is involved in several TFCAs, including the Great Limpopo Transfrontier Park, which links national parks in South Africa, Mozambique, and Zimbabwe. These TFCAs offer numerous benefits. They allow for the free movement of animals across international borders, promoting genetic diversity and healthy populations. They also facilitate the management of transboundary natural resources, such as water resources and migratory species. TFCAs also promote peace and cooperation between neighboring countries, fostering regional stability and economic development through tourism and sustainable resource management. A unique legacy culture, nature, and the Rainbow Nation. South Africa's unique geography shapes its culture, history, and identity. Diverse landscapes foster distinct cultural groups with unique traditions and beliefs. Interactions influenced by migration and trade create a rich cultural tapestry. Geography-influenced history, from indigenous migrations to European colonization and liberation. Today, the Rainbow Nation symbolizes cultural diversity and unity. Breathtaking landscapes and biodiversity inspire wonder and appreciation. Conservation efforts reflect the interconnectedness of people and nature. South Africa's legacy of diversity, resilience, and stewardship is unique. Thank you for watching Traveling Kangaroo.